Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. I hope all of you are doing great and having a wonderful time. We are also fit and fine. So, today I'm with my younger brother Snigdo. As you can see, we both are here. And in this video, my younger brother Snigdo will ask me some question and I will try my best to give proper answer to him. Okay, so Snigdo, are you ready with your questions to ask me?
Yeah.
Okay, so then you can ask me your first question.
At first, tell me something about yourself.
Okay, I need to tell something about yourself. Okay, so my name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English learner, or you can say I'm an English video creator. I love to make English videos and I love to share my skills with people. Currently, I'm a student of inter second year at Naranganj University College. Yeah, that's something about myself. Yeah.
What is your dream?
My dream. Okay, it's a tricky question. I don't have any dream, but if you ask me where I want to see myself after 5 or 6 years, I would say I want to see myself somewhere where if I look myself after 5 or 6 years, then I will be happy. And I want to do something better for my parents, for my family, because my parents are doing a great struggle at this moment. So that's why. I want to do something better for them in upcoming future. Yes.
What is your hobby?
Hobby. Okay. I could say playing cricket is my hobby. Besides that, I have some other hobbies like I love make English videos. I love learning English. At the same time, I also love to read books. Whenever I get some time, I try to read some books because we know it's very important to read some books and gain some knowledge in our life. And the more you read, the more you will learn. So yeah, reading is a good habit. And if I talk about what I like most to do, it's playing cricket. In the weekend, I love to go different kinds of places with some of my friends, and I love to play cricket with them. Yes. Okay.
What is your favorite cricketer?
Well, favorite cricketer in Bangladesh, I really love Mushfiqur Rahim. The way he worked hard before a game, the way he prepared himself for a series is really remarkable, and I really love to watch his batting, watch his wicket keeping, and I fall in love with Mushfiqur Rahim in 2015 when I was in class 3. So it has been a long time. I'm watching him, and every day when like every time when I see his batting on television, I feel very delighted that time. Yes, so that's why Mushfiqur Rahim is my favorite cricketer.
What is your favorite color and why?
Well, favorite color. I don't have any favorite color, but if I talk about this, then I would say blue. Blue is my favorite color. I don't know why, but I could say it's my favorite color.
What is your favorite food?
Favorite food. Well, if I talk about food, then maybe it will be noodles. I love this very much because I can cook this. Whenever I stay alone at home, that time I try to cook it and try to enjoy my uh, time with this special food. And besides that, I have also other some good foods like pizza or like burger. But I don't eat them randomly. It's often. I mean, it's hardly I eat them. Yes.
What is your favorite actor?
Actor in Bangladesh or outside the world?
In Bangladesh.
In Bangladesh, maybe it will be Siam Ahmed. He's a Bangladeshi actor, and I love his movie because when I was in class 7, that time maybe I saw a movie of him, and that movie name was Dohon, and that was really, very amazing movie, and I really enjoyed that. So that's why he's my favorite actor in Bangladesh.
How you spend your free time?
Well, how I spend my free time? Well, I try to spend my time with my family members. Yeah, this is the way how I spend my time. Besides that, if I get some free time, that time I try to go with my friends somewhere for hangout. I try to enjoy my time with them. But most probably, I love to spend my time at home and with my family members because I feel very good when I stay with them.
Do you love to make English videos?
Well, that's a good question. Yes, of course, I love to make English videos because I'm learning English and it's very important for me to make video every single day because my target is to be a fluent speaker. And for that reason, I should make video every single day. And that's why, yeah, I love to make English videos. Nowadays, people actually watching my video, they are showing their appreciation to me, they're showing their love to me, so that's something really inspire me every day to make video more and more.
Why you learning English?
Well, why I learn English? Because English is very, very important in our life. Because if we want to go outside, then English is very important for us. And English is a skill. If you have this, then you will do anything that you want. So that's why uh, I I'm trying to learn English. Although it has been a long time, I'm trying to learn it, but still I'm not fluent, so that's why every day I'm working hard to be a fluent speaker.
Now I have no any question to ask you.
Okay, that means we are about to finish this video.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I hope that was really enjoyable conversation. Snigdud asked me so many different type of questions, and you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you will learn something from this video. As I'm an English learner, so that's why it's very important to make video every day. So that's why I just I was telling Snigdo that brother, you should ask me some question. I want to give you the answer, and I want at the same time I want to make a video. So that's the reason why we make this video, and I hope you guys will enjoy it and you guys will learn something from this video. Okay, so I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best.